chill, and relax.
On my phone ringing. Tubes to the left hand side. Them bad bitches playing. Drink it up all night. Tabi up a socket. No more fucked up nights. You hanging up, Am I too early to fuck it up? Sabihin sa akin kung ako ba talaga ang gusto. Pero parang maiba, nagala ka na solo. Tila ba nito? Imahinasyon at takot pa sa sarili mo to. Hawakan mo naman agad ako kapag ako'y lumapit. Hindi yung parang takot, ano ba ito klase pa sa'kin? Saan pa nagkulang sa'yo nang nagpost at ito'y walang dudang may buwas sa'yo. Kahit tutol magulang, kahit tutol na magulang mo, kahit tutol na magulang mo.
Chill, and relax.
Binigay ko ng todo lahat ang gusto mo. Buksan mo na ng pinto, nandito na ako. Dala ko naman lahat na paborito mo. Parang kanina pag-isama kaibigan mo. Pag kailangan mo, you can call me like this one. Sino pagkalapit ko sa'yo, sabi mo who the fuck are you? Alam mo naman sa sarili that I need you. Sa sarili that I need you, Yeah, I said shame on you, but they don't wanna put the blame on you, girl. I know, you know, life is short, and I don't wanna be your last resort. Won't be an option, girl, what you talking about? Tell me I'm the only one you think about, but I'm sorry cause I play a lot. You let her loving and that's what's up, what's up, what's up.